Making money on Whop is a viable option, given its relatively new status and numerous potential avenues for earning. The three most effective methods include creating a Whop, clipping and producing content for others, and affiliate marketing. For those without a Whop account, signing up is straightforward, and a link to do so can be found below. Upon joining, the first step is to click on Start Selling and watch an introductory video explaining the platform's purpose as a digital marketplace for selling products like communities and courses. Creating a Whop allows users to build their own community, where various features can be monetized. Another popular method is participating in content rewards, found under the Discover section, where users can generate content for other creators and earn money based on views. This approach can be significantly more lucrative than posting content on other platforms, with some creators offering up to $50 per 1,000 views. Clipping is also a popular option, with many creators offering substantial payouts for content created about their products or services. By joining a community and producing content according to the specified guidelines, users can earn money through views on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Notably, the payouts on Whop can far exceed those on other platforms, with some offering $5 per 1,000 views, compared to YouTube's 10 to 20 cents per 1,000 views. The third method, affiliate marketing, allows users to earn a percentage of rewards for referrals. By promoting products or services and sharing custom affiliate links, users can earn up to 30% of the rewards for successful referrals, with the ability to withdraw earnings directly to a bank account. This method offers a convenient way to make money on Whop. Overall, the platform provides multiple opportunities for earning, making it an attractive option for those looking to monetize their online presence.